So let's take a look at how to establish a simple HTTP server. First thing, open your command prompt. Next, we are going to install module named serve. So npm install, then -g for installing it for global, and then serve. Okay, serve is the name of the module that allows us to simply have a HTTP server on our desktop. Okay, so after you install this, you can navigate to the directory. So let's say I'm on D drive, and here I want to simply serve my files for local host. Okay, so I'm going to type in serve, then --local. Okay, and it will show you a message that it is now serving on specific IP address. So we'll wait for that message. Okay, so here it is showing you that there is update available, and I can just update or ignore for now. And then you have this localhost 5000 IP ready for checking your local web server. Now it shows internal server error. However, do note that it should show you these folders by default. For now, it is leading to some sort of error right now. But the error will be displayed something like config.msi. So we can ignore that, and let's move on to another directory where we can have better hosted server. So serve --local. Okay, and on this path I have index.html, so it should show me that message. Okay, so as you can see, I have index.html that says hello Devnami, and it is being served. So if you have index.html in the folder where you are running this serve, then it will show that on your browser. If there is no index.html, then by default it will show you the list of folders within that. In case there are some errors, then like previously shown, it will show those errors and you have to get things corrected. Okay, so this was a simple video on how to create simple HTTP server with a node module named serve.